Yeah.
Got it. See the black thing over there? Got it?
宝宝，
There's layers to go on.
Yeah.
Got it.
明仔明仔，you wanna go？
Mama, you want to reel it?
Có một cái reel á.
Oh, yeah. You want to take off the bell? Or no? Wow.
Yay!
Take off the bell. I feel like a 20-incher.
That's fun. That's fun.
My stomach hurts. Let's go. Let's go. Did I catch another one?
Get
Want to do the proper measurement now? The proper weight pop?
ต่อกับนี้ลูกเล่าแล้วป่ะมั่วลูก
That looks big.
It's fun,
I think
though.
it's keeper. Yeah, Paul, you put the huge blowworm on that one. Papa put a blowworm on that one. That's pretty big.
Yeah, it's a 90.
19?
Yeah, it's good.
Alright. Oh, you want to measure it correctly?
No, it's okay. If only if it's only if it's like really like 18. Yeah.
You sure?
Give me the string.
อ๋อ
Yank it. Or take it out. Yeah, take it out.
ใหญ่มาก
Hold on.
I don't know you can feel it
Not yet.
can you feel it
Since it's not moving.
feel the line
Feel. Oh,
like that
chain.
It's actually weird.
Good.
Let's go, guys. We gotta keep her. And going was not with us. Let's go. Papa, I know that Papa put a big blowworm on that one. So. Oh yeah. Yahoo! I caught my second striker. Second striker.
you yank it that time you might get it come on
Right there.
yeah I don't know why you wait so long
I don't know, cause I'm like, is it really a fish though? Cause it keeps doing that. See the black thing over there? Over there. Look at it. Saw it? It's a seal. Shade. It's gonna come back. Got it? Wait, is it just a weight that's holding it up? Yeah.
I think it's
Baby set. Baby set.
No, nothing. They can't.
Paul, are you sure you're not like mommy? Just yanking it up, like once in his wings one time.
I'm just taking it. Wait, that's a fish.
Oh, this is Can I go get
It's small.
I want to get that one.
Oh, my hair.
Minh Giai, can roll, Minh Giai.
Show him.
Minh Giai,
Papa was
take
actually
that,
right.
can reel.
Mama, get it.
Yeah, you got him, Mama.
Oh, small one.
Oh no.
Get your cake. Yeah, move your cake.
Dang it. Okay, let me take the picture of the fish.
Oh, sorry.
Mama, you
No,
want?
I don't want to hold it
Oh, okay.
inside. It scared me. I feel like it's going to hurt me.
Hold it in
My
the mouth. You
hand.
can hold. Oh. You can.
Yeah.
Hold it in the mouth like
Yeah,
that.
hold it on the mouth like that. Lift it.
Lift it.
Alright.
Got it.
Okay, you want? Hold it good. Put the grip on it.
There we go.
Okay, you want to take a pic real quick?
Okay.
It's 30. It's 30. It's fine. Okay, look. Release
Now
it.
release it.
Okay, release it.
Now release it.
Yeah.
What's up? I don't know how to do it. Oh, there you
Bye.
go.
Maybe that was her.
No, that was mine.
There's a boat coming, Gummo.
That was not mine. No, don't touch the button. Don't touch the
Oh my goodness.
My phone's
À, như là yên nói cần sao?
Definitely was not. It was like.
So I'll be so today.
Why yank
I think you should just put the belt up. Because how do you know if the belt, if it's biting or not?
it?
Well, what if that's just, the current kind of taking it a little bit?
Papa? Sema.
It's Nibbles, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. The fish.
Nobody here.
It's a little fish, dude.
If it takes yellow,
Got it?
I don't know.
that again.
What if it's just a little one?
It might be a little. If anything, it's a little. Yeah, then the bull.
I'm covering up in that case.
Oh, don't do that. If anything, it's a small one.
So cool. Now you always
You
want
can
to
do. Sống in jail.
Was it that? Was that bite?
Just kind of like that.
It's nothing.
Papa, do you even want to eat this?
Why are you yanking it?
Keeps doing the same thing.
Oh, why are you yanking it? You have to let it bite like that.
I'm not sure if it is or not.
No, I'm gonna recast
Look
mine.
This is the.
You want to pull that?